Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, as you can see by the title above, it is going to be a Halloween banner project share. Also in collaboration with Cat Paper Love and her 100 Days of Halloween. We decided to collaborate on this video and both show you guys two different versions of banners. So if you want to see what she created, definitely go check her out over on her channel. I'll have everything linked down below. She also has a bunch of Halloween videos, so if you're looking for inspiration or just ideas for Halloween, definitely check her out. And her Instagram and all that fun stuff will be down below as always. So I decided to create a banner and stick to the more traditional orange and black, because you guys know that I have a ton of orange and black and traditional ephemera pieces and embellishments and paper pads. So I didn't really want to go to the whole Pasteloween stuff because I don't really have a bunch of stuff. So I don't think that I could really create a banner that I would be happy with using the pastel stuff. So I'm extremely happy with the way it turned out, and I've been posting little sneak peeks on my Instagram and you guys have been loving it, and I am super happy with it. So let me show you guys what I created. So here is what the first little piece looks like, and I backed every single piece with black cardstock. I sewed every single piece, so they're sewing throughout the whole entire banner. I did two pieces of like the pennant style, and I did two pieces of like the regular banner style, and then I did two coffin pieces. So this is what the first piece looks like. I used some black ribbon from Michaels. This is what that looks like. And I kind of like the way it has the see-through in the middle. I think that looks pretty cool. So that is why I used that ribbon to kind of string it along. And here on this little first piece right here, I sewed all the way around, and I did like a little extra stitching right here. Hopefully you guys can see, and the lighting is not too horrible, but I used one of the little bows that Tony sent me in some Happy Mail with the cute little spider. I also used the little trick-or-treat cutouts that she sent me. This little flare button is from my, I think it's, yeah, the Magical and Mischievous kit from the Fairy Tale Club. Some cute little enamel dots. You guys, I am obsessed. The papers that I used are from the Spooky Boo collection. And then we have this one right here, which is my shaker. I did a cute little mix here, and that little mix was sent to me by Tony as well. I tried to use a bunch of the stuff that she sent me. And some of these little ephemera pieces are from Booville. I think it's Booville from Doodlebug. All the little pieces are from that collection. These cute little bows I got on eBay. I've hauled them before. I did some cute little pom-pom trim. Oh, I didn't tell you guys right here. I did some pom-pom trim over here. That was also from AliExpress. It's just a smaller pom-pom, if you can see. This one's a little bit tinier. So I did a cute little black pom-pom on the bottom. And I used some shiny, like, glittery tulle for the shaker. And it's also sewn all the way around. And then the next piece is a cute little coffin. And I did like a little doily in the back. This cute little wood piece from Target, one spot. A bunch of the little ephemera pieces and cardstock stickers from the Spooky Boo collection. This cute little flower up here, also sewn and stitched in different like little stitches. Then I put this cute little bow here with this cute little enamel dot. And then let me show you guys the next one. And we have this one right here, and I just added some cute black lace on the back just because I thought it would look pretty and different, and just add a little extra. This little mummy guy is from the Booville collection from Doodlebug, as well as this little candy back here. This is from Spooky Boo or Midnight Haunting from last year. I think it's Pebbles as well. Just some cute little spiders right here from Michaels. This little candy corn is a little bee. A sticker. Let me see this. And then we have this one right here, which is another coffin. And then I used one of those little banner stickers from Michaels. Cute little flowers, some little enamel dots right here, a little button and an enamel dot. This little cluster was given to me last year. I don't remember from who. I think it was Solange who gave me this little cluster. So I just added it right here with some cute little, the little flower and a little pom-pom from Michaels. And then my next one is, and this one is also sewn as well. They're all sewn, you guys. I tried to not put trim on all of them, but I did put some pom-pom trim over here. Another little gold doily from, I think this one, these gold doilies are the Maggie Holmes ones. Some little googly eyes, some bats, the little flower from Michaels. I did a little, if you can see in the back, there's some crepe paper stitching. Got that idea from Sabrina Ann. Cute little paper flowers, some stars. You guys, I absolutely love how this banner turned out. And then the last piece is this one, which is another little pennant shape, and it's just this cute little web in the back. The paper is all spider web, so I decided to do like a little web in the back. This big spider, which is from Walmart last year. I put a cute little googly eye, a little foam sticker from Walmart last year, another pom-pom trim from Michaels, but this one has like a little gold accent on it, some stars and flowers and enamel dots. But yeah, you guys, that is the banner that I am like obsessed with. I absolutely love it. Let me know down below what you guys think. I think it turned out super cute. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to go check out Kat and her video and what banner she created. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.